subtraction and division are related to each other. You heard words like total, the number of groups, the number in each group, equal groups, and those are all words that we heard last week when we were solving multiplication problems. Just like addition and subtraction are opposites of each other, multiplication and division are also opposites of each other. In multiplication, you have equal groups, and you're combining them to find the total number. You're combining them to find how many there are in all. But in division, you're kind of doing the opposite. You are given the total, or how many there are in all, and then you have to separate them into equal groups. Let's see what this looks like with pictures. So on this slide, I noticed that there are equal groups. There are apples that are placed into plastic bags, which are my groups. So division is where the total number is given, and I can just count how many apples there are in all, and that will give me the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There are 24 apples in all. Then I know that division is when you take a total and separate them into equal groups. And here I see that there are 3 plastic bags, or 3 groups. So my division sentence is always the total first, followed by the number of groups. And then to find the number in each group, I can just count how many apples are in one bag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the answer I'm looking for in a division sentence. How many apples are in each bag? I can read this division sentence as 24 divided by 3 equals 8. Something that you will learn more in the next math assignment on Thursday is you can also take this division sentence and write it in a different way. You have your total, and instead of thinking of it as separating it into equal groups, you can think of it as separating it into an equal number of apples, an equal number in each group. So I can say 24 divided by 8, and that should give you the number of groups, which is 3. And I read this division sentence as 24 divided by 8 equals 3. If you look at the 2 division sentences, you'll notice that it begins in the same way with the total number, which is 24, but then the number of groups and the number in each group can be switched, and that's something we'll talk about more. Your job is to create division sentences and fill in the chart for 2 other pictures of equal groups that you see.